What's going on, guys? Mixed here, and this time we are getting it right into Christmas mode. So we're going to start off with the winter cocktails. Just over 5 weeks to go until the big day itself. So happy holidays or Merry Christmas, wherever you are from. And one of the cocktails I recommend in the run up to Christmas is the Chocolate Martini. Can't go wrong. Gives you an excuse to crack open the Baileys. Anything more Christmassy than Baileys. So as you can see, we've got a martini glass and we've rimmed it with a chocolate syrup. So to make this delicious cocktail, guys, it's 3 ingredients. So Baileys, vodka and chocolate liqueur. Because I'm using the Creme De Cacao. Because it gives me an excuse. I've had it a few months but I've not opened it. So this is the first time. And let's get straight into it. It's a very simple cocktail to make. So what you want to do, guys, is put in 4 to 5 ice cubes or a giant ice cube. I've gone for a giant ice cube. Get your jigger, and the first ingredient into the tin, my friends, is 40ml, which is 3.3 ounce of the Baileys Irish cream. Next into the shaker is 40ml or 3 ounces of vodka. I'm using Ciroc. So it's a decent vodka if you've never had it. Because it's a berry vodka as well. And now this is where your chocolate liqueur comes right into it. So I'm using Gifford's Creme De Cacao. But this can be really creative because there's some really nice chocolate liqueurs out there. So there we are, 40ml, 3.3 ounces of Creme De Cacao. So put your lid on, make sure it's nice and secure, and now give it a good shake, 8 to 10 seconds to get nice and chilled. So what you want to do now is get your martini glass that you've already rimmed with chocolate syrup and strain into it. What we're going to do now is garnish it with chocolate shavings. Could have a bit much. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen, one chocolate martini. Doesn't it look delicious? I cannot wait to try this. The perfect winter cocktail, especially in the run up to Christmas as well. Absolutely beautiful. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen, one chocolate martini. How does it taste? If you're a Baileys lover, you'll love this because it's everything that you could ever dream of, especially with the Creme De Cacao. It gives it that nice chocolate flavour mixed in with the Irish cream. But I think in terms of sweetness, it's a very sweet drink. Because the vodka certainly complements it. It gives it that boost, gives it that little bit of a kick that you can feel. But for me, that is a perfect winter cocktail, and with the vodka, it warms it up as well. You can feel it in your throat as it goes down. But that is very, very nice, especially with a nice vodka like Ciroc as well. But I'd rate that a solid 8.5 out of 10. It gets the party started, it gets winter cocktails flowing, and it warms the cockles up. And what's not to love about it? It's chocolate, it's Christmas. It's absolutely great. Not perfect, but great. But that, guys, is the chocolate martini. Do let me know in the comments below, what do you think of the chocolate martini? Because any recommendation for winter cocktails, do let me know in the comments below, or any Christmas ones as well in the run up to Christmas now. So it's only 5 weeks, it's only just over 5 weeks until the big day itself. So the next winter cocktail I'll be doing will be the Jack Frost. That will be next week's cocktail, and I will see you then. But if you are new around here, don't forget to like and subscribe and mix in for more winter cocktails like this, more Christmas cocktails, and I will see you guys for the Jack Frost cocktail. Cheers. Don't do that. Oh, I feel that. It's because I had the beer brews in the morning.